Here goes a 2015 Mercedes S550 with the big wheels. This was also repaired. 2015, real nice. It was hitting the front. On our videos, we're gonna show you guys the process before and after. This is a pretty nice car. We still have to replace the airbag on this 2015. It's for sale. Anybody interested, comment down below, like and subscribe. Show you guys the interior. I think this is AMG package. Show you guys the interior. Super nice. See the interior. Super nice car. Nice leather seats. Airbag, we still have to replace the airbag in it. See the interior and back. Pretty nice big doors. Back seats recline right here. It's pretty nice. See? Go back, down. Very, very nice car. Double sunroof, panoramic roof. The whole entire roof. It's a nice big 22-inch wheels. Almost new, almost ready for sale. Like and subscribe.